In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to attach file in Outlook when replying. By the end, you'll know exactly how to add files to a reply. Reply all or forward using the built fade and attach button or a simple drag fade and fade drop. Start by opening any email in Outlook. When you are ready to respond, choose reply, reply all, or forward. Reply sends your message back to the original sender. Reply all includes everyone on the thread, and forward lets you pass the conversation along to someone new. Pick the option that fits what you are trying to do, especially if your attachment is meant for specific people. A new message window will open. In that window, look along the top on the Message tab or check the toolbar near the bottom of the Compose area. You are looking for the familiar paperclip icon labeled Attach File. Click that to get started. If you don't see it right away, expand any more options arrow on the toolbar. The paperclip is almost always there. When the file picker appears, you have two main choices. Browse This PC lets you pick a file stored locally on your computer, like something on your desktop or in Documents. Browse Web Locations is for cloud storage such as OneDrive or SharePoint. Choose the location that matches where your file lives. If you select a cloud file, Outlook may insert it as a shared link rather than a full copy. That's convenient for large files and collaboration. But remember that recipients will need permission to view it. If you'd rather send an actual copy, pick a local version of the file or choose the option to attach a copy when available. Once you've found your file, select it and click Insert or Attach. You'll see the attachment appear beneath the subject line in your message, confirming it's included. If the file is very large, consider using a cloud location. Many mail systems limit attachments to around a few dozen megabytes. And cloud links avoid bounce feedbacks. Here is also a quick alternative. Open your Files folder on your computer. Then drag the file you want and drop it directly into the body of your reply message. Outlook will automatically attach it for you. This works for one file or several at once, and it's often the fastest way if the file is already open in a folder. Before sending, give your message a quick review to make sure the right file is attached. And you've chosen the correct recipients. That's it. Your attachment is ready to go. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you reply with confidence in Outlook.